Got it. All right, so now you can see we've got a different layout for our navigation menu. Our knowledge base and our create a case have been added. But let's customize this a little bit so that it's a little bit more our own than Salesforce's. The first thing we can do is come into the welcome message here. We can edit the content and we can put anything we want in here. So you can put anything you want in there, including imagery, colors, changes, things like that. So let's actually, yeah, we'll leave this color. So to save, just click out of it and it will keep it. Next, let's go to this quick flash of imagery and we're going to edit this. Let's delete what's in there and we will add in from our asset library a little banner. Say hello to the page. So there we go.